against all nations. I think it was it. No damage, no return to what it is. One man against the world. One man against the world. Fighting against all evil.
It's my pleasure to bring to address you the greatest political leader of the last 50 years, Jamaica's greatest Prime Minister. There is no question about Andrew Holness. Conference, let's welcome party leader, Prime Minister, Dr. Andrew Holness. It took me 8 minutes
from the top of the road to get into the national arena. The place full. You have a crowd about 1.5 times the crowd inside here outside. Somebody or something go stir up Labour Party ants nest. My Jamaican family locally and in the diaspora watching this broadcast, friends, dignitaries and observers in the diplomatic corps in attendance, executive members and officers and representatives of the Jamaica Labour Party on the platform. I make special mention of our friends from the Maroon community who are here with us. And you, the faithful Labourites that form the bedrock of the Jamaica Labour Party. I greet you in the name of our eternal Father, who has blessed our land, who has guarded us with his mighty hand, who has been our light through countless hours of trials, and who grants us the wisdom and the strength to lead this nation to peace and prosperity and victory for the third term. We are a young nation, but as a people, we have been in a long struggle to secure our freedom, political independence, which we have done. Today's struggle is about achieving our economic independence. Our national hero, the Right Excellent Marcus Mosiah Garvey, believed in achieving economic independence. He said, Jamaica should become the headquarters of a great industrial, commercial, and cultural movement. We want to be able to employ our own people, to build up our own business, to create wealth for ourselves. We must have a people with a self-reliant economic base. We must build the foundations of our economic system. Marcus Garvey would be proud of what this government has achieved today, fulfilling the vision of economic independence. More Jamaicans are employed now than at any time in our history. Our national debt, which was driven up by the PNP, as high as 146% of GDP because of FinSAC, high interest rate policy, and loss-making public bodies. The good management of the Jamaica Labour Party administration has cut the debt in half to 74% of GDP. We have a stable exchange rate backed by the highest central bank reserves ever in the history of Jamaica. We have had consistent growth, and when we have been hit